Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Samsung Galaxy A20 and A20e. So first of all, let me tell you that whatever language you have on your phone, the symbols and the positions I will show you now are always the same. So let us start. Scroll down here. Now we need the symbol for the settings. So then we have to scroll down to the point General Management and have this symbol here to adjust things. Then we need the first point, language and input. And then we need again the first point, language. So now you have here a list of the existing languages on the phone. In case your language is there, you just use here the arrows, maybe in that case German, and go on apply or on the blue button here, and then everything will be in your language. In case your language is not part of that list, let me put it back into English, then we need here this symbol, the plus, the green one, to add a language. So now choose the language you want to have. In our case, it will be again English to show you it better. Tap on English or the language you want to have. And now you can choose a dialect, a local one. Maybe let us take the dialect from the Philippines. And now you can set it directly as your default language. And now English with the dialect of the Philippines is now on the first position. Okay, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in them. Just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again. And maybe at the next time. Ciao.